Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to another edition, a Friday edition of February 7th, 2020 of Awesomecallstrading.com. I am AJ. I'm your host for the next 5 minutes. I got to jam out of here, so I'll just give you a recap of what we did today. I just finished a secret sauce session. It was wonderful. It was really great. Today we traded a lot of great trades today. I don't have any words to express just the fun we had. It was actually it died after 15, 20 minutes, but the trades ended up doing what we wanted, and I was really pleased with the calls that we did today. So I will just jump right into it. I will start with the Tesla call down here. As you can see, Tesla was kind of gapping up, gapping down. It was one of those things, up and down, up and down. And so I pretty much just looked at the stock and told everyone, listen, don't long it unless it hits 745. When it hits 745, you will get 10 to 20 points on it and then be done with the stock. I played this trade. I did it live in the room. I fucking loved it. I never stayed the whole move. It's just not what I do. But you know what? It paid the bills. And I was really happy. I really was. And it was just a wonderful trade. And I'll show it to you. Are you ready? And a lot of people did very well in this trade. And here is the Tesla trade. And as you can see clearly, you can see how it was bouncing all over the place in pre-market and after hours. And I called for a 745 push and a 20-point push after 745, and it hit 769. So if you had 100 shares, you could have made $1,000, $500, $800, $900. The sky was the limit. All you had to do was pull the trigger. The next trade that we did was a stock called Skechers. This was a wonderful trade today. It was a short, really great short opportunity. I called it for the stock to hit 44.50 out of the gate. And believe me, that's what I fucking wrote, 44.50. You don't believe me? Look at my fucking notes, 44.50. I said scale in short, take it down to 39 area, and the stock hit $39.90 right there. And it's coming back up now. It's all about understanding the move before the move. Next one was ZGNX. This was a really great trade. Again, this was gapping down on, they had positive news, but they didn't have blowout news. And blowout news, so they met their primary endpoint on the phase 3, but it wasn't like above expectations. It was just raw okay. And so the stock was going to get punished. For me, as a day trader, I simply wanted the stock to recover from 35 to 40, scale in short, and fade it all day. And that's the call I made. You don't believe me? Fucking read the notes. Okay? Long the stock at 33.35, push it to 40. As soon as it hits 40, fade it right back to 33. I don't know what fucking room you're in, but you need to fucking make the change. Okay? Because that shit was on point. Nobody does what we do. 40, 34. Have a nice fucking day. Next. And because of that, GWPH was gapping up. And so GWPH was a short for me at 129, a share to 125 and under. I'm looking for 120 over the next day, or I preferred it today, but the stock ended up hitting at 124.67 for a nice 5-point trade. So that was really nice. The next one we did was Mijin. This was a joke. These fuckers can't get it right, and the CEO just got terminated. So for me, it was just a short to 18, then pounce it back. 21 was the high it was going to do. You don't believe me? It was simply written. It was scripted. It was our number one trade. 21 is top, 18 is bottom. Stock hit 19. They're forcing it up for some reason. I don't get it. But who gives a fuck? Next one was Win. Win was a really good call today. Their numbers came out last night. They were disappointing. Macau kind of hit them hard. So I called for a short to 127 at the open, scale in long, and take it back up to 130, 131. Stock hit 126.88. You don't believe me? Read the fucking notes. This is it right there. Win. 127 bottom. Have a nice fucking day. Next. UI. The UI was another earnings call. I called a 150 top and a 135 bottom. You don't believe me? Read the fucking notes. All you have to do is just read it, pull it up, pull the trigger. Long the open to 150, scale in short, take it down to 135. There's the open. Ding, 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 ding. Pre-market, we were long at 140, 142. There's the 150 at 200 shares. That's over $1,200 in just a matter of 3 minutes. As soon as it peaked at the 150, slammed back down. There's the low, 135 per my notes. You could have made 200, 400, 600, 800,000, 200, 400, 600, 800,000, 200, 400. I mean, come on. What the fuck? Want me to hold your hand and bake you a cake? The next one we did was a stock called Pins. This thing just was going to gap fill to 25 bucks. 25. I was looking for 25.50. Actually, 24.50 to 25. Then I thought it would just kind of grind out and long it. So it hit 25.20. So that was a good one. And that's about it. We have other stocks we played like Colette. Colette was, they bought a company that's going to enhance their revenue. So I called for a 21 pull. It ended up 22, and then an all-day move to the upside towards 25. So that was a nice trade. And Cena. Cena was a nice earnings play. Caught a few upgrades this morning, so I called for a push at the open to $84 to 86 or $85 a share, and then short it. I personally think this is up a little too much. I don't see the justification of this holding, but it is what it is. And that's about it. A couple things I do want to make a note of. I did give Facebook at 205, and I'm looking for 215 on the stock. So far, we're at 213, and I think there was another call that I did from a swing position. Anyway, hey, it was a wonderful day to trade today. I made my money, hit my goal, shared it with everyone. I love what I do. I love helping others, and I look forward to helping you over as well. I look forward to trading with you on Monday. I'll tweet out. I don't tweet on Saturdays. On Sundays, I'll tweet out when I do, and I will see you all on Monday. Thank you so much. God bless. Have a very beautiful weekend. Enjoy yourself, and keep studying. Never stop.